Hi, today we're going to make brownies with no flour. You will need a ripe banana. It is important that the banana has to be ripe because otherwise it won't be sweet enough. So you peel the banana, you cut it, and you place it in the blender. Then you add an egg and you turn the blender on, more or less 10-15 seconds. You turn it off and then you just add 3 tablespoons of cocoa. It could be sweet or unsweetened. I used unsweetened because the banana gives it a sweet taste, but if you like things kind of sweet, you can add sweet cocoa. Then you add half a cup of oatmeal and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We turn the blender on again for another 15-20 seconds. And if you need to, scrape the edges, or scrape it down so it will all blend well. And once it's well blended, we place it in our mold. I used a plastic mold because I'm going to place it in the microwave. If you're going to use the oven, remember to grease the pan. So then we just sprinkle, if you want, walnuts or almonds, chocolate chip, coconut, whatever you like, raisins or not, you can just leave it like that. And then you place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you're going to place it in the oven, it's 12 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, we take it out and we unmold it because otherwise it gets like humid. And we cut it into portions and that's it. It's a small brownie, but I think that 2 people or 3 can eat okay with this. And it's very healthy and you should try it. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and activate the bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.